Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in to this recipe. I am sharing with you how to make the most delicious coconut jollof rice. I'll be using fresh tomatoes, bell peppers, scotch bonnet peppers, ginger, garlic, onions. I have them clean and cut already. Next, I'll transfer them inside the pot. Add a little bit of water so it won't get burnt. I'll cover and cook on medium heat for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, it's ready. I'll remove from the pot, allow to cool a bit. Once it's nice and cool, transfer it inside the blender. Add some of the liquid for boiling it. I'll cover the blender and blend into a smooth paste. I'll transfer inside a large bowl, repeat the process until I'm done blending all of it. See how creamy and beautiful this looks. I'll set that aside. I'll be using 2 coconuts for this recipe. I'll crack the coconut and cut it into tiny pieces just like this so it will be easy for the blender to grind. I'll transfer that inside the blender. Add warm water. I'll cover the blender and blend. You can grate the coconut as well. I'll transfer it into a strainer. Press the shaft to remove all the milk. I'll set that aside. Next, in a pot, I'll add coconut oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Once the oil is hot, I'll add onions. Stir fry the onions for about 5 minutes. I'll add tomato paste. And fry the tomato paste until it's nicely fried to take out the sour taste from it. Add the blended pepper mix. And stir. I will season with curry powder, thyme, smoked paprika, salt, seasoned powder, bay leaves. I give it a stir. I'll leave the stew to cook on medium heat until the stew is nicely cooked. And I'll be coming to give it a stir so it won't get burnt. Here I have the rice I'll be using. I'm going to wash the rice until the water runs clear. The stew is been cooking now for some time. And the stew is ready. You know the stew is ready when the oil starts to separate. I will take out some of the stew before adding the rice. You can always adjust it later. You don't want the stew to overshadow the rice. I'll put that aside, add the washed rice. I'll stir the rice inside the stew for about 5 minutes. This is going to enhance more of the flavor of this dish. I'll add chicken stock, add coconut milk, and stir. The amount of liquid you add depends on the type of rice you're using. Do not add too much liquid. The rice is still going to cook by steam. I'll add a little bit of hot water, give it a stir. I'll cover with parchment paper to trap in the heat. I'll cook the rice on medium to low heat for 25 to 30 minutes. "25 minutes later, stir the rice. You can taste and adjust the season if needed. I'll add coconut flakes, which will take this rice to another level of deliciousness. Carrots, green peas, stir. I'll cover and cook for 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, at this point, my kitchen smells divine. I wish you can perceive the delicious aroma that is going on here in my kitchen. And just look at how beautiful this rice looks. And it tasted even more delicious. The rice is ready, removed from stove. I will serve and enjoy. I'll serve with coleslaw, chicken, this coconut jollof rice was so yummy. The coconut flakes also took it to another level of deliciousness. Will you be giving this recipe a try? Let me know how yours came out. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.